talk.
If this part doesn't come out good at all. I haven't really worked this angle out yet, so it's just gonna be one of those things where you guys are gonna have to bear with me, and just whatever you can see is, you know, what you're gonna see. I'd use the roll method, so I already, you know, I'll have to unroll my film and throw it on there, but I don't use a towel on the back glass either. I just scrub it, and this back glass was extremely dirty, so the cleaning process is gonna take me a little longer than I normally would do. So that's why I'm not done cleaning this yet, because this back glass was extremely dirty. I don't know what was on it, but it was all type of stuff, all type of grit. So we're gonna just check it and see how it looks. Doesn't look bad. What is this? Is that it? No. Okay, let's go. All right. Heavy breathing. Okay. For a glass like this, honestly, my sprayer, I don't have as much soap as I want to have on it, but we'll make it. I just peeled a little piece off. I don't know if you can see this at all. Spray it. Spray up there. I don't know how this is probably gonna look so ugly on the camera, but like I said, I haven't worked this angle out, and we are speed tinting. So this is a bigger black glass, I would say, for sure. Yeah. Okay, I know what to do. Yeah. Okay. Wow, this pattern is really big. This pattern, see, now this back glass pattern is actually, it's damn near too big. But it works. No gaps. Move this side up. Oh. Okay. When I'm tinting a window, I'll usually like barely hairline gap the very bottom. I'm not gonna gap it so you'll see the actual hairline gap, but I'll make sure I pull the film up high as I can, just to avoid any type of fingers. Because when you start to leave so much extra film on the bottom, you're gonna get some really unnecessary fingers that don't need to be in there. Okay. All right. Okay, baby. Let's make good time. Let's fucking. Oh, I cuss. Let's go. Oh, okay. Bulldozer, bulldozer. So I'm gonna make sure I don't have to come out, hop in. I'll make sure this is done all the way for sure. So I'm gonna make sure that I don't have any bubbles at the bottom. So I'm gonna excessive squeegee this. I'm gonna hit it again, go over it one more time, and that's it. So, but this time, second time I go over it, always side swipe. There's nothing you can always get, you can never get more pressure out of anything than side swiping and get the rest of the moisture out. Then I come back with the Bolt Easy and hit it again. Come back with the red and gray, and boom, hit it with the red and gray, and you're all good. Do a wipe. Okay, like this. All right,
Finish!
we're done.